How's it going, everybody? All by hand here. I've got a nice surprise today. A bit of a mini haul from a new place that I just found called Bricks and Minifigs based in Fullerton. It's a tiny little shop, not a Lego store, but they only sell Legos. So a non-Lego Lego store. I found them on Google. They're about 10 minutes away from my house, and I was super excited to go check them out. So as soon as I had a free day, I hopped in the car with my girlfriend and we headed over to Fullerton to go check and see what they had in store for us. I must have had really low expectations because I was actually very surprised by the selection of Legos that they had. They had plenty of new Legos, plenty of old Legos. My problem lately has been Target, Walmart wiped out. No Legos on the shelf. I personally was a little bit overwhelmed, and I'm definitely gonna need to go back and make some lists for future videos. Enough about that, let's get right into the Lego sets. So I got 3 Lego sets and 2 minifigs. So the first Lego set I picked up is the Han Solo's Land Speeder. I didn't actually know about this until pretty recently, and I only saw the movie once, so I wasn't super familiar with this particular vehicle, but I thought it would be really cool, and the young Han Solo figure was actually pretty interesting, and I wanted that pretty bad. So that's the first set done. And of course, everybody's getting these guys, the 501st Battle Pack, which is, of course, not a bad set. The walker and the speeder bike, I actually do not have either of those in any version that I know of, so it'll be cool to add a speeder bike to the collection. Third set is going to be the Hoth Snow Speeder, which I also don't have any version of as well. This will be my first Hoth set, actually, I believe. I haven't gotten any other Hoth sets yet. This is going to be my minifig purchase. There was a couple minifigs that I had been missing from some old sets that I've been rebuilding, and they had so many minifigures that I was blown away. So I'm gonna have to definitely go through a lot of the sets that I had from when I was young and write down all the minifigures that I'm missing. So this is the first one, which is gonna be the Nuke Gunray. I actually have this one still, but for some reason the joint where the legs bend, it just crumbled into nothing. So it looks like this one does not have this issue, which I'm pretty excited about. So this will go nicely right back in the Nuke Gunray's transport ship, I believe. And then the second minifigure that I got was the old style original white topped R2-D2. And the reason I got that is because I have the old X-Wing, which I believe originally came with this, and now they make them with a gray round topped piece. That's all for this trip to Bricks and Minifigs. Next time we probably will not get out as easy. This was about $100, give or take a few. I will be making time lapses out of each and every one of these sets, So make sure you like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.